Assalamu alaikum children. Today date is 19th August 2020 and day is Wednesday. Today our topic is missing letters. Now we will find those letters that are missing. First of all, read with teacher A. Okay, now what comes after A? B. Start from the dot, straight line down, go up and make a half circle. Next is C. Seeker. What comes after seeker? D. Start from the dot, half circle, go up, go down and make a small loop. Next is EA. What comes after EA? F. Start from the dot, turn on the line, straight line down and make a sideway line. F. Next is G. What comes after G? H. Start from the dot, straight line down, go up, turn on the line and straight line down. Next is I. Then next is J. What comes after J? Cake. Start from the dot, straight line down, go up, slant line up and slant line down. Cake. Next is L. What comes after L? M. Start from the dot, straight line down, go up, turn on the line, straight line down, again turn on the line and straight line down. Next is N. N. What comes after N? O. Start from the dot, turn on the line, go down, again turn on the line, go up. O. And next is P. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz children.